Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you some methods that allow you to free up RAM on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. There are several things that you can do in order to free up the RAM. However, I'm gonna show you some of the most important ones. The first one is the live wallpaper or dynamic wallpaper. If you use one, then you will also use a little bit more RAM compared to the case where you use the static wallpaper. So in this case, if you need to switch the wallpaper, you want to go to the settings, personalize, tap on the wallpaper on the left side, and over here we can change to curated wallpaper and then choose change wallpaper. So for instance, like I said, if you use the dynamic wallpaper as an example, then it will use a little bit more RAM compared to the default wallpaper. However, there is also something else that you can do. So we can scroll all the way down and then go to system, and then over here choose performance. Over here we have the smart app launch, where we can enable device to learn app usage patterns so apps can be launched quickly. This definitely also helps you free up some RAM in order to optimize the usage of your device and in order to quickly open apps. And of course we also have the RAM boost, which is always good to use, especially if you extend it to have 16 gigabytes at least all the time. By default you have AI auto selected and it can use 16 gigabytes. However, I assume it is not always the case. So if you want to pretty much force it to use 16 gigabytes, then over here you can do that. Alright. Another thing that you can do is force stop some apps that might be running hidden in the background. So over here we want to go to apps, then we can scroll down and go to, for instance, battery usage, and then we can see a list of all apps. And let's say I'm gonna go to TikTok, and let's say that of course we can manage the battery usage over here. However, we can also force stop some of these apps in order to make sure that they are not running in the background. And of course the battery usage can also affect the performance of the device, and it might also influence the usage of RAM. So in this case we can even restrict the usage of battery in order to also help the RAM a little bit. And of course, in order to force stop the app, we have the force stop option over here, and then we can confirm that we want to force stop. Sometimes apps may misbehave. At least this is the warning that we can get. However, most of the time, if not always, that is not the case. And this is just a simple warning, just to inform you. For instance, if you have something that can be lost in the process, like something that is not being saved. In the case of TikTok, I don't think there's anything that we can really lose, except for maybe being logged out, although I don't think that's really the case, or that's actually possible in this case. So once we have that, another thing that we can do in order to release some RAM is of course remove or clean up the background apps. So if you are using the 3 buttons navigation, then of course we can use this button over here. It might also be on the left side depending on the order of your 3 buttons navigation. And this is how we can open the background apps. And of course we can press clear all over here, or we can just swipe the app towards the top in order to close just one app, or like I said, press clear all in order to close every app. And if you use the gesture in order to navigate through the device, then of course you want to swipe from the bottom towards the middle, like so. And then if you hold it for like a half a second, then you can release your finger in order to open the background apps. And then once again you can do the same thing, and this time I'm gonna choose clear all, and then over here we can see how much memory was freed up. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!